Hey guys, it's Soda VR. We're back saying another video. Animal Company, make a plushie. It'd be awesome. And getting started, I had to scrap 3 videos. A long time ago, I'm not sure if I'm gonna post that or scrap it. I tried this, but I couldn't find the clock. Finally did. Scrap 3 videos. One had to go to Tech Tree to get the tactical hip, and then 2 of them was getting money because the first one I did it, but then I went into my and actually 4 because I did a video but I wasn't recording when I did it, so a bunch. I need to find the little area. Oh, it's right. I think I have to. I'm not sure if I'm in the right position for this. Okay, let's just try. I don't speak Spanish, but I know Despacito. Yo, this is actually cool. Wait, hold up. Am I allowed to go down here? Hold up. Whoa! Oh my god! No way! What is this? Hold up. Is that like out the map? I can't tell. A tech tree! Oh my god, that took me. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god. I'm glad I got the tactical hip, or it'd be dark. I don't speak Spanish, but I know Despacito. Oh, I want to do. This looks like Poppy Playtime Chapter 4, but watch this. Got it. Oh, I could go like. Oh my god, and how did I miss that? The flip was the easiest one. God dang, boy! Okay, now I'm going. Despacito. I don't speak Spanish, but I know Despacito. Ooh, what is that? That green light. That might be a glow from sewers. No, I know what this is. What if this is like a reverb for Tech Tree? Like, it's like a Tech Tree. Because it's connected to Tech Tree. Right there. As we see. God dang, Tech Tree's big when you actually look at it. Hold up, I'm gonna go to one of these little tunnels. See those broken tunnels? This, it's in the shape of a tree. Wait. No. What if Tech Tree gets corrupted by its own tech? Oh no. That's so cool. Okay, well, I'm gonna end this video. Before I do, I'm gonna try if I have enough storage to keep recording. Too hard on that. I have to climb like this. Sometimes when I'm going, it just hurts to do this. Quinchata! Okay. Well, bye y'all.